Hey guys, it is Rose the Wolf here, reporting live from my brand new apartment. So yeah, oof, I have been busy and stressed and worn out from these past few days with my big move to a brand new state, getting ready for school. So yeah, I am still unpacking boxes and going through everything and finding a place for everything. And I just haven't really thought a bunch about video editing, especially since I just ordered a brand new laptop through my school, which I am gonna use instead to video edit, so that way I don't have to worry about my Adobe apps crashing on me. And I'm trying to get my job lined up so that way I can order some new furniture, including a new desk and such. So this just been a trying process, and with me just trying to take it easy and explore my new area, in addition to just getting out and trying to meet some new people. But I guess for what I can offer in future videos is I've been working on a two-part Halo Combat Evolved Father's Day special video where I played Halo with my dad. And then afterwards, I was going to tackle some Saints Row clips. I believe they're solo play or they're with me and Knight. I'll have to go back and take a look. And then I just have a whole bunch of other clips in my hard drive on the Mac that I want to tackle first before I copy over any more from my gaming laptop, just so I don't accidentally break this laptop any more than I've already broken it. I mean, it survived water being poured on it, and having a bunch of cords jumbled up within itself. I'm amazed that somehow that's not my fault. So yeah, that is what has been going on as of late, and I have been much happier since things are actually open out here because everyone is back where I originally lived is so anal about quarantine. But I understand it's important, but let's face it, we're kind of take it as a new societal norm. So it's like, hey, why don't we just put on virus suits and call ourselves Quarians? Ain't that right, Talizora Vas Normandy? I ought to be Rose the Wolf Vas California. All jokes aside, anyways, that is what's been going on, and feel free to stick around for when the Father's Day video comes up. I should have the first one uploaded maybe the day before, and hopefully the part 2 uploaded later on. Be sure to look out for the premiere bulletin for that video, especially with the thumbnail I humorously photoshopped, even though what am I saying? I enjoyed my bad work. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy, and I shall see you on the next one.